When the holidays are over, try these helpful ideas for storing your lights, decorations, and tree trimmings. The more organized you are when putting things away this year, the easier setup will be next year.
Store your ornaments, small figurines, and other keepsakes in sectioned storage containers to keep things sorted. When it comes to those pesky light strands, try winding them onto a spool as you take them down. This helps prevent the cords from kinking. And try not to be too rough on the lights as you pack them up. Bulbs can come loose or break, and you'll end up with repairs to make next year when you start your setup. Disposing of your tree is easy if you remembered to lay a storage bag underneath it when you set it up. Simply pull the bag up around the branches and tie it off at the top. Tree sap can be tough to remove from flooring, carpeting, and other surfaces. Tree sap remover can help. Artificial trees look great season after season if you prevent damage to the branches and lights. Simply bend the branches up and slide the tree into a storage duffel. You can also use specialty bags for wreath storage to keep them looking good season after season.
For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.